we'll guide you through how to open Docker container in VSCode. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure Docker Desktop is running and confirm that the container you want to work with is already running before opening your editor. Launch Visual Studio Code, then open the extensions view by pressing Ctrl+Shift+X. In the search box, type dev containers and look for the official extension published by Microsoft. Click Install and wait for the installation to finish before continuing. Once it's installed, locate the Remote Explorer icon, shown as the greater than and less than symbol, in the activity bar on the left side of Visual Studio Code. Open it, then expand the Containers section to display every running Docker container available on your system. Find the container you want to access, right-click its name, and choose either Attach to Current Window if you want to keep using the same editor window, or Attach to New Window if you prefer working in a separate workspace. Visual Studio Code will establish a connection and open a remote session inside the selected container. After the connection is complete, open the Explorer panel and click Open Folder. When prompted, enter the path to your application directory, such as /app, then confirm to open it. To execute commands inside the container, open the integrated terminal by pressing Ctrl+the key or selecting it from the terminal menu. The terminal session will already be connected to the running container, allowing you to run commands without opening a separate Docker terminal. From there, you can install packages, start development servers, inspect files, or run build commands directly inside the container while keeping your workflow fast, organized, and consistent with your application's Docker environment.